Well guys, welcome back to another episode of Dumb Stuff with Matt. I kind of messed up here and deleted the footage of before on these headlights. So, I guess we'll just go straight to the after. They came out looking pretty good. I guess I'm happy with it. Alright, I guess now I'll show you how I did it. Okay, how I do this is I shake it up good, put a little on the pad, walk over to the headlight, and squish it on. Now obviously these headlights have seen better days. They're all broken from hitting trees and whatnot. Let's see what happens. Never fails to surprise me. Holy smokes, that looks so much better. Well, doesn't really match the rest of the truck now, does it? But that's okay. Makes me feel better. All right, let's get that other side done. I want to take a before and after though. This is what I like to call the lazy eye side. This truck actually went into a tree right here out in the woods and literally ripped this off. And I actually had to go back and find it. It's held on by zip ties and some hardware for something I don't even remember now. It's been so long. But let's see if we can make it shiny again. Same process as before. We'll give this one a little more juice. It's a little worse. Excuse me. Boy, you can really tell where that tree got it. Right there. Couldn't see that well before. But another round of successful headlight restoration. I'm telling you, that's cheap and easy. I don't think I've used that same bottle for 8 sets now. Well, I guess that's it for this round. We'll see you guys on the next shady headlight that I can find. Later.